You can, guys, if you can see that we're in the cable car, if you can see what's over there, we're in level 14, yeah.
Level 14. Yeah, level 14.
Malapit na tayo.
Yay.
Di pa
Enjoy ka,
maandar yung
bebe?
Huh?
Nag-enjoy ka naman?
Yeah. Guys, I'm really scared of heights.
You're not.
I am. Even in school, if we're climbing a ladder, I always hold this and I like climb like that slowly. So my partner, my line and the one in my back is telling me to go faster, but she don't know that I am scared of heights.
Di pa maandar yung ano na,
Yung
yung roller coaster. Wala pa masyadong tao.